Ever wondered how ankle-foot orthosis or AFOs are made? These medical marvels are designed to offer support, stability, and control for the ankle and foot. Their creation is a fascinating process that blends medicine, technology, and manufacturing expertise. AFOs serve a crucial role in treating various conditions like foot drop, cerebral palsy, and multiple sclerosis, all of which affect the stability and function of the ankle and foot. There's a wide array of AFOs, each designed with a specific purpose in mind. These include solid AFOs, articulated AFOs, and dynamic AFOs. The creation of AFOs begins with the selection of the right material. Lightweight and durable materials, such as plastic, carbon fiber, or thermoplastic, are typically used. The choice of material hinges on the patient's condition and functional requirements. AFOs are not off-the-shelf products. They are custom creations, tailored to fit an individual's anatomy. This customization process kicks off with taking precise measurements of the patient's leg and foot. This task is usually performed by a certified orthotist. Following the measurement, a plaster cast is traditionally used to create a mold of the patient's leg and foot. However, as technology evolves, alternative methods such as 3D scanning and computer-aided design, or CAD, are increasingly used to create a digital model. Using the mold or the digital model, the orthotist or manufacturer designs the AFO to meet the specific needs of the patient. The design process takes into account the condition being treated and the patient's activity level. With the design finalized, it's time to bring the AFO to life. The chosen materials are expertly manipulated using techniques like vacuum forming or CNC milling to cut and shape the material. An AFO typically includes components like a calf band, foot plate, and strapping to secure it to the leg. Articulated or dynamic AFOs may also incorporate hinges or joints to allow for controlled movement. After manufacturing, the AFO is fitted to the patient. The orthotist ensures that it fits properly and makes any necessary adjustments to optimize comfort and function. Patients may require follow-up appointments for further adjustments and to ensure that the AFO continues to provide the necessary support. Maintenance and repairs are also part of long-term care, ensuring the device remains functional and comfortable. In summary, manufacturing AFOs is a specialized process that marries medical expertise with orthotic manufacturing skills. The end goal is always to provide individuals with a tailored solution that can improve their mobility and quality of life. It's a process that truly showcases the blend of compassion and innovation in the world of medical technology.